Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time, if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 36 points, that is 0.05%, and settled at 79,960 points. Nifty 50 is down by 3 points, that is 0.01%, and settled at 24,320 points. Bank Nifty is down by 234 points, that is 0.45%, and settled at 52,425 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 201 points, that is 0.35%, and settled at 56,888 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 32 points, that is 0.17%, and settled at 18,908 points. Man Industries Limited is India's leading steel line pipe provider for oil, gas and water distribution sectors, has announced a prestigious order for supply of API 5L grade line pipes for offshore project worth 1850 crore rupees. Company's outstanding order book stands at approximately 4,000 plus crore rupees. Company said in a circular. With this positive news, stock reacted positively in today's session. Larsen & Toubro's renewable energy arm has secured mega orders with an undisclosed Middle East-based player to develop gigawatt-scale solar PV plants with a cumulative capacity of 3.5 gigawatts, the infra major informed the exchanges on 8 July. The deal also includes scope for grid interconnections encompassing pooling substations and overhead transmission lines. The deal is worth between 10,000 crore rupees and 15,000 crore rupees, according to the filing. Shares of FMCG major Marico soared up to 6.56% at 655 rupees and 70 paise per share on the BSE in Monday's early morning trade. This came after Marico on Friday reported its business update for the first quarter of the fiscal year 2024-25 quarter financial year 25. The company, in an exchange filing, revealed that it expects its domestic business to post a modest uptick in underlying volume growth on a sequential basis during the June quarter. We expect consolidated revenue growth to trend upwards during the year, on the back of an improving trajectory in domestic volume growth and higher realizations due to the favorable pricing cycle in key domestic portfolios, the company said in a statement. Salen Exploration Technology Limited surged up in today's session after famous investor Dolly Khanna increased stake in company from 1.03% to 1.56% during quarter 1. GRM Overseas share price attracted strong buying interest from the stock market bulls during Monday deals. In its latest exchange filing, GRM Overseas informed the Indian stock market exchanges about its overseas business expansion. The company stated, GRM Overseas, one of the leading Indian basmati rice exporters and India's leading food FMCG, is pleased to announce that GRM has entered into an agreement with Diplomat Georgia to place its own brand of basmati rice, Tanoish, through Diplomat distribution channels. This move is a strategic one, as it opens up a new and promising market for us in Georgia. As per the terms of the agreement, Diplomat Georgia will be the exclusive distributor of GRM Overseas products in Georgia for 2 years. Diplomat Group also has a presence in Israel, Cyprus, and New Zealand. Shares of HPL Electric and Power Limited surged close to 7% on 8 July after the firm announced a Memorandum of Understanding, MoU, with China-based Guangxi Ramway Technology Corp Limited for local manufacturing for assembly of relay latching relays in India. The agreement could involve technical partnership and equipment procurement, according to the company. Ecofi has partnered with Mahindra Last Mile Mobility Limited, a subsidiary of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, to boost the adoption of electric three-wheelers in India. The collaboration aims to provide impetus to the growing EV3W demand by combining Mahindra's expertise in electric vehicle manufacturing with Ecofi's innovative financing solutions. The global market for electric three-wheelers, valued at approximately $677 million in 2020, is expected to grow at a CAGR of around 10% from 2021 to 2027. With robust government incentives and subsidies promoting electric mobility, this partnership signifies a crucial advancement towards a greener, more sustainable future for India's transportation industry. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.